Children, yesterday this lesson was started, friendship and duty, and this is the continuation of the lesson. The policeman asking question to the man who was standing near the store. He was asked why he was standing there. Then he gave the answer that myself and my friend promised to meet here in this Big Brady's restaurant. But the policeman said that before 5 years, till that time this restaurant was there, but now it is not there. It is broken down. So the man on the doorway, he struck a match and he started lighting his cigar. So from that light, because it was already dark, so the policeman recognized the face. He recognized the face. So what he recognized, that we'll see at the end of the lesson. So here the face was, it was pale, square-jawed face and keen eyes and a little white scar. Scar means mark on the right eyebrow. So this he recognized. What and all he was wearing, everything. So we'll see the suspense at the end of this lesson. What did he recognize and what? So here he said that after 20 years tonight, said the man, I dined, means we had our dinner here and we promised, as I have told you already. So Jimmy Wills stayed in New York and he went to the West. So in the coming paragraphs, we are going to see what happened. So the policeman said, oh, it's quite interesting. After a long time, you have come here. Have you had any contacts in between? Then that man said, no, for few years we had a contact through letters, but afterwards we stopped contacting because I was busy and my friend was also busy in his work. Children, nowadays, if we depart from our friends, we go away from our friends to other state or other country, anywhere, but we can have contact with them because now the technology is fast. Now we have mobile, we can send through WhatsApp, we have contact, we can ring to them. Each and every moments we come to know, we have video calling, many things. But in those days it was not so. Once you are departed, it's very difficult to meet again or to have a contact with that person. So the same thing happened with Jimmy Wells and Bob. So here that man who was standing there, he is talking to the police that I have come here from miles to stand in this door tonight to meet my friend. Then that policeman said that now it's already 3 minutes to 10, means it's going to be 10. He announced it was exactly now 10 o'clock. We parted here and I asked West, didn't you? Asked the policeman. Then he said that yes, he is a very kind person and my friend is very good and he will come to meet me anyhow. So the policeman said that even I hope let your friend come to meet you. In this way he said and he departed from there. And still that man was standing near that store waiting for his friend to meet.